Hello everyone, I am Sakshi, back with a new video of Unit 2 Roman numerals for my class 4 students, Mathematics. Roman numerals. Students, you all must be wondering what are Roman numerals? So I'll tell you, Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. It is a common method of counting, essential to communication and trade. The Rome people used to use this numeral system in order to have communication and trade with other people. Now next question is, why do we need to learn such an old system? So the answer is with you people only. Let me ask you a question. The symbol. What is the symbol? This is what? King's what? What does this XI means? It is a Roman number. अगर आप Roman numerals नहीं पढ़ते, then you will not able to find out what is this XI. So it is very much important, because if in case you get a number like this, you will able to find out what it is. So I'll tell you XI is 11. I will tell you how. So let's begin with our chapter. Hindu Arabic numeral. The numeral like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, all the one digit number that we are using are called the Hindu Arabic numerals. Now Roman numerals. The Romans used 7 letters as numerals. They are using 7 letters as numerals are known as Roman numeral. What are they? I, V, X, C, L, D, M. I is 1, V 5, X 10, C 100, L 50, D 500, M 1000. There are some of the techniques in order to use this number. What are they? First part, I, X, C and M can be repeated in a row up to 3 times. That means you can repeat these 4 numerals only 3 times to form any larger number. The value of the repeated number get added to it. Like if I am having 1, 1, that means 2 I's are here. So I am adding 2 ones with me. That gives me 2. 2 C's are there. If you want to write 200 in Romans, you have to write 2C, because 1 C consists of 100, and if you are adding 2 hundreds, you will get 200. Now X is 10, so 3X means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. M means 1000, so 3M means 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, that is 3000. So that means if you want to use 3000, you have to write 3M in Roman numerals. Okay. Second point, a smaller numeral gets added to the greater numeral on its left. That means if you are using any smaller numeral to the left of greater numeral, you have to add them. VI. V is 5 plus I is 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. So to write 6, you have to use VI. XXV, X10 and V5. So that is 25. So if you have to write 25, you will use XXV in Roman numerals. XII, X10, I1. So we'll add all the numbers and get 12. LX. L is 50 and X is 10. So 50 plus 10, that is 60. Because I am using X to the left of greater number L. XI. X is 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 to be written XI. Third point, a smaller numeral gets subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. You can subtract only once from a numeral. That means if you are using any smaller numeral to the right of a larger or greater numeral, you have to subtract them. IV. V के right में I है, तो आपको क्या करना है? V is 5 and you have to subtract 1. So you will get 4. IX. 10 minus 1, that is 9. XL. L is 50. 50 में से आप X minus कर रहे हो, that is 10 minus कर रहे हो, तो you will get 40. XC. C 100 होता है and X 10 होता है, तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? 100 में से you are minus subtracting 10 here, तो you will get 90. Okay, in the same manner, if you are using C and D, तो D क्या है? D 500 है और आप माइनस क्या कर रहे हो? C को. C यानी आपका 100 है. तो what will be your answer? 400. So 400 can be written as CD. Is it clear? Now next question is exercise 2A we are having, and question is write using Hindu Arabic numerals. तो बच्चों Hindu Arabic numerals क्या थे? 0, 1, 2, 3 यानी all the one digit number or all the numbers which we are using. तो x क्या होता है, प्लस कर लेते हैं. x क्या है, x 10 होता है, प्लस x is also 10. then what it is 20. very good. xv what it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 तो it is 35. xvi तो x is 10, v is 5, i1 तो what it is 10 plus 5 15 16 17. now next is xliii तो क्लास x हमने राइट में लिखा है किसके, l के, तो दैट इज व्हाट 50 माइनस 10 क्योंकि l तो 50 होता है और x 10 होता है तो ये 40 हुआ. तो इट इज 40 प्लस आई 3 बार i है तो दैट मीन्स इट इज 3. तो 40 प्लस 3 43. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट यूजिंग रोमन न्यूमरल्स. दैट मीन्स द न्यूमरल्स i, x, v, c इन सब में हमें लिखना है. तो दैट इज 15. 15 कैसे लिखेंगे, 10 प्लस 5. 10 को कैसे लिखते हैं, x and 5 is written as v. तो दिस इज आर 15. 40 किस तरह से लिखेंगे, अब 40 देखो हमने अभी ऊपर किया था ना 40, तो हाउ विल राइट इट, xl. दैट मीन्स l में x वी आर सबट्रैक्टिंग. ओके 40. व्हाट इज 26, तो 20 प्लस 6 इज 26. 20 क्या होता है 2x एंड 6 इज आर vi. तो आर 26 विल बी xx vi. 46 अगेन 40 प्लस 6 तो 40 is our xl. As we get from this part, 6 is what? 6 is our 5 plus 1. So that is xl, 5 is v and 1 is I. So xl vi is our 46. Now compare or fill in greater than, less than or equals to. So greater than, you have to compare the numbers. This is what? This is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 and this is 5, 6, 7, 7. So which will be greater? 8. So I'll put greater than sign here. B part, xvi. So x is 10, v is 5 and 1 6. So that is 16. This is what? 10 or iv 4 होता है. So this is 14. So which will be greater? 16 will be greater. X is 10 and L is 50. तो which will be greater? L. XLV. तो XL तो 40 होता है and V is 5 तो it is 45. This is X and V तो that is 25. तो what is greater? 45 is greater. 4 plus 2 is 6 and XL is your 40 and 2 42. तो what is greater? 42 is greater. 8 3s are 24. XL बेटा 40 होता है, देखा हमने लर्न भी कर लिया व्हाट इट इज. एंड 2 is 2 तो 40 plus 2 is 42. तो what is greater? 42 is greater. Now G part C. C is what? 100 and it is 50. तो which will be greater? C is greater. So I'll put greater than sign here. Next H. 20 plus 6 is 26. XXVI. So what is XXVI? X is 10 plus x is 10 plus v is 5 plus I is 1. So it is 25 plus 1 26. So that means they both are equal. So I'll put equals to sign here. Now next question is write in ascending order. So you all know what is ascending order, from smallest to greatest. So first I will write them in Hindu Arabic form. So that is 10 plus 5 15. दिस इज 10 10 20. IV 4 होता है तो 24. I हमने राइट में लिखा है x के, तो दैट मीन्स x में से 1 माइनस किया 9. XL देखो 40 होता है एंड I इज 41. XX 20 25 plus 1 26. Now it's very easy to write them in ascending order, smallest to greatest. सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है? 9. उसके बाद है 15. देन वी हैव 24. उसके बाद 26. देन 41. अब हम इनको रोमन न्यूमरल्स में वी कैन राइट इट वेरी इजीली. IX is less than XV is less than XXIV is less than XXVI is less than XLI. So it's very simple. Now in the same manner we'll write right in descending order, that is from greatest to smallest. Okay, so in the same manner I'll write them in Hindu Arabic form. So this is 30, it's 50, it's 40, and that is 10 or 9, 19, और ये 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, तो this is 18. तो which is the greatest number? 50, उसके बाद 40 we have, then 30, then 19 and then 18. अब 50L था which is greater than XL, 40 था which is greater than 3X, which is greater than XIX, which is greater than XVIII. So it's very simple to write them. Now last question, write the answers in Roman numerals. You have to write the answers in Roman numerals. So first let us solve the question. 8 multiply 4. तो 8 4 का क्या होता है? That is 32. तो 32 को Romans में we can write 30 plus 2. So what is 30? X, X, X and 2 is I. So this is our answer. B part 12 plus 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. That is 20 plus 4. So 20 is XX and 4 is IV. Okay. Now 81 divided by 9. So that is 9 and 9 can be written as IX. Right में we have to write I here. Right में ही only we can subtract the number. Okay. Now D part 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. So 40 plus 9. As you know 40 is XL and 9 will be what? IX. So this is your 49. I hope you all understand this Roman numerals very clearly, and I am sending you some questions of this chapter also. So try to solve them.